Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Nkechi blessing, my people. Hey, wahala, they say it be like bicycle, my people. Not be small thing, no. Nkechi blessing now come married to Ooni of Ife. Hey, my people, oh, not be small thing, no. Wahala be like bicycle. This Ooni of Ife self, no woman when you not go marry. Nkechi blessing we just talk and that time say na so it make us wide. Now so the boy say they wear pint. Now so the boy say they feel wash the pint. Now so the ex-boyfriend. Now you Ooni of Ife can still go marry now, my people. Hey. They say wahala be like bicycle, my people. No, not be smart, no. Not where we not go see for inside abule. Not way social media no go carry. Hey, my people, no. I go put the video. This one evidence dey. Not be saying I joke, my people, no. When they marry and whether they counter for a leg go everything, no. The video dey, my people, not be small thing. Hey, wahala, they say it be like bicycle, my people. Eh? When me see the video just now, the thing shockalize me. I say, wetin dey happen? Hey, Nkechi blessing, I can go marry Ooni of Ife. Hey, my people. Social media don't catch fire. I go put the video, make una see my people. They only me one not go hear this one, like seriously. Only me my ear not go carry this one. Oh. Everybody, the whole world need to hear am. Nkechi blessing, I can dey marry to Ooni of Ife. Hey. Wahala, they say it be like bicycle, my people. No, not be small thing. Not be small thing, no, my people. No, not be small thing. Not be small thing, my people. Eh? I am so happy for her. If not there, it can't end up final. Since the ex-boyfriend break it out, so she needs to really hook up with another person, So I really dey happy for her. If not there, he might can say okay, make it can still go now. Is good. Who be we go come to tell say make you not go marry am. You understand? So, but it just surprised me say now you knew of if you can still go marry now. Hey, wahala. They say it be like bicycle. Wahala be like bicycle, my people. I will put the video now. Make una see am. Let me show the video. Let the video go viral, my people. Let the video go viral, like seriously. Hey. Wahala not go finish for inside abule. Wahala not go finish for this social media. One go they finish, another one go they come again, my people. So make I put the video, make una me share am. Let the video go viral. Bye. My Europe people, when they depress them, not be the ones where they marry, married women. So they depressed when I quit marriage. The single ones them or single mothers them. Whereby they're depressed, they're confused for Europe to relocate, go another place. They're not confused, they don't know what to do. I will come talk to them one day. Yeah. But the reason why I say I'll come talk to them one day is that I remember 5 years back. My hand don't tire me. I remember 5 years back when I did Europe. I don't know what to do. If I call this one, they don't understand my pain. If I call this, they don't understand my pain. No mother to talk to, no father to talk to. I dey rush, I want to take baby for school. That make I dey rush you. You understand? Nobody to talk to. So I need to take this decision. The decision when I take, fine. Now a very risky decision, but nobody gree understand me. And if I still try to explain, give them, say, see what they go through, they don't go still understand. The decision when I take, if I call this one, say, relocate, no go feel understand. See me, can't find for mirror. Oh, shaggy. You understand? no go feel understand. So I need to carry my bag and baggages. Carry my baby, turn to Africa. When I reach Africa, many people they blame me. Why you go Africa? Why you go Africa? So I don't go understand why I go Africa. I was very happy.
Don't worry, don't worry. I was very happy. My name called a first attention. Like, you know, say some people now, mates when you leave now, your mates when you leave, they'll say, you want to say you better pass us, so you tell leave us for Europe, you want to settle down for Africa, this, they'll come shoot for your body. My name begin a first attention. Well, no problem. I only tell my God, prostitution will not do for Europe. I'm not going to do for Africa. God, I'm going to provide for me. So that's why he can't say there. God called it to provide for me. I still live fine. I was still very much okay. But maybe money to come change car, to go build new house, and that will not come day. But I did live fine. But nearly to renew my baby paper, I need to come back. Visa, they did because small. I'm not going to see visa because why? I not just paper to go home. But my baby is a citizen. I go with my Nigeria passport. Also because of the coronavirus, the visa difficult to come out. I never put you, but no space at all. They will still do visa again. Even if you get 3 million, you get 4 million. People want to do for me 2.5, 3 million. Me not do one, they not go feed do one. Or say make I myself do this thing. I come with myself, go Spanish embassy. Tell them, I want to take on a child, go back. My passport, I take on home. I want to go back with my child. They can't give me visa. Luckily, God bless me with the visa. I can't come back. So my sister, you want to carry your paper for hand. You dey confused what you want to do. How you want to run now? You don't confuse. Don't get depressed for abroad. You get paper, carry your bag, go Africa, go relax. If you don't get documents, get patient, make you get your documents. Nothing that you Europe. The pressure too much for Europe. Problem too much for Europe. As I take come back now, I can't regain myself back. All the problems that when my name face that time, all of them finish. Vamos. All of them go. Now I'm very much okay, very fine. Sometimes you need to relocate, change your environment, change place where you dey. No, you dey that place for local. All the wishes and where they press you around it, where they call themselves your friend. That be the evil. When they disturb, will not let you get peace of mind, will not let you get happiness. Push them, come out for body, come out for that place, relocate. Go to that place, go relax. They're not water.
So guys, I went for a wedding 3 months ago, and I saw my friend today, not quite long. And I was asking her, babe, with excitement, babe, how far now? How my in-law? Said, my sister, I even want to reach out to you self. We're not there again. Hey, God. This one a wedding where I spent over 300K. Her should have been 100K. I spray her 100K. I saw my dress, everything. Over 300K gone. 3 months later, she dey tell me, say she be won't call me. She be won't reach out to me, say they're not there again. Now let me warn the rest of you. For my friends whenever I'm married, I use God beg all of you now. I know they joke. See, just take your time, reason I'm well. Any marriage you know say you want enter, say a few months you go come out. No bring Ashwebi for me, my buy. Don't bring your nonsense Ashwebi for me. Because if you try I can't buy. I can't come. You're gonna tell me later, say una not there again after 3. See, you must stay in that marriage for at least 5 years. I'm not joking. So that I go forget, say I spend money to come honor you. No, be say after 3 months, you gonna tell me say I'm not there again. When I don't spend like 300K plus, my sister be ready to pay me back my money. In fact, it should be a law. Any marriage will not last reach 5 years. Make una refund all the money when they take spray una. What did they worry una?